Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop for this very rare early morning episode, how to build a 105 Thunder Chief. Yeah, it's an early morning episode. I didn't get to bed till 2 in the morning by the time I loaded these videos. You guys are nuts. But I got all my bolts out. Ready to start busting this stuff apart. Okay, trim my edge in here first thing. This is where I forgot to part all people on this lip. But it's got wax. Let's see if it's still stuck. I fell off of there. Thing's just gonna fall apart on us. Ooh, so far so good. Except for this part. Felt it pop. Bam! Wow, look at that. Bam, flawless. Simply flawless. Oh, there's a couple little ones right there. Doggone it. It's beautiful. Well, Luke, I'm going to get this shipped out to you. Here's your canopy. Bam! Get that one out the way. Take them in line right here, right now. Bam! So these things are supposed to come apart. Bam! Look at that. That's all my glue that's got mashed. That's a good thing. Beautiful though. Man, that just don't weigh nothing, man. Just grams. Oh, doggone it, got me a little flaw back here. Little filler. I'll tell you what though, that's why you gotta get that glue, that resin, all the way back on that leading edge. Or trailing edge. Just don't weigh nothing, man. Just boxes. Okay. Oh, this is a virgin piece. This is my rudder. First one out. It's going to be a little tougher. The more you use them, the easier they get. Bam. Oh, wow. That looks good, though. people. That just turned out awesome. Look at that. Not one little flaw nowhere. Right there. I seen the little one right there. That's just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Can't believe I made it. Can't believe I made it. Well, we gotta kind of use these videos sparingly today, everybody. I don't want to use up all my videos before the 4th. I mean, before the 1st. We can't get done too early. People were saying, well, think I got a gang of midgets here working or something. Wasn't a bad day's work yesterday, was it? Nothing got scrapped, not as of yet. Bam. You know, I ain't made a part that had to be scrapped in a long time. Didn't know that. Bam! That boy just popped right out. That's how they're supposed to come out, people. You wait after after I get a dozen parts pulled out of them, man, you just take them apart and they'll just fall out. I mean, you gotta. The more you use them, the easier it gets. Well, when you're waiting for me to make some movies, you're sitting around bored, click around on them ads. Don't forget to pay them sponsors show them sponsors some love. That part just came out flawless on this one.